Good afternoon and Jai Hind to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well. And how did you enjoy your summer camp? I enjoyed and I hope you enjoyed too. And I heard and I saw even that you did a lot of cooking as well as your other activities too, like crafts and singing and dancing too. So, in this LS class, we will be doing the RFP model paper that is on page number 3 of your English co-mate first term. Okay, so your book, take out your co-mate and turn to page number 3 of your English co-mate, and the heading is RFP model paper, the mango tree. So in this class, we will be doing this paper. I will be discussing with you this, and along with this, I will be sending you the PDF file of the same solved answer sheet. So even if you cannot write now, you will have it in your hand and you can complete your work by looking at that. Thank you, and let's get into the paper. Children, this is the index of your English co-mate, and just before we start with the RFP model paper, over here you will write today's date in just beside serial number 2, 1/6/20, that is today's date, just before RFP model paper, page number 3 in your English co-mate, and then we will turn to page number 3 on this RFP model paper, the mango tree, and now we will discuss the paper. Okay children, let's get started with the paper. So first of all, in the heading you will write CW, that is class work. Okay, RFP model paper, the mango tree, and you will write today's day, that is Monday, 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 and over here you will write today's date, 1st of June 2020. Next, tick the correct option. So in this you will only tick mark the correct option. First is number A. The children played all day because there are 3 options given. Number 1, winter holidays, number 2, Diwali holidays, and number 3 is summer holidays. So it was summer holidays time, so you will write summer holidays. You will put a tick mark on the summer holidays. Next, B. Name the game the children played together after school. So which game did the children play after school? Number 1, it's tennis, or it's badminton, or number 3, hopscotch. So the answer is hopscotch. So you will put a tick mark on option number 3. Next, C. The children drank water because they were, first option is not thirsty, second is thirsty, and third is hungry. So they drank water because they were thirsty. So you will tick mark on option number 2. Next, after school the children dash. So after the school was over, what the children used to do? They used to play, or number 2 dance, or number 3 sang. So the option 1 will be the answer. They used to play together. Number E. In the end of the story, we learned that we should not, number 1, cut the trees, water the plant, and number 3 is play around. So number 1 is the option. In the end of the story, we learned that we should not cut the trees. Come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Use the words from the box. Ravi plucked only the dash mangoes. So over here the options are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options are given. You have to write the correct words. You have to choose the correct words from this rectangular block, and you have to write the answers in the blank spaces given over here. So Ravi plucked only the ripe mangoes. RIPE P-E, right. Children, don't make mistake in copying the spellings from this box over here. Because over here it's a right spelling, and if you write the wrong spelling over here, so I will not be able to give you marks in your examination. So please copy it from here with concentration. R-I-P-E, right? R-I-P-E, right? Mangoes. Number B. The pond had a lot of frogs and dash. So the answer is ducks. D-U-C-K-S. Remember, it's S over here. If you don't write S over here, I will not be able to give you marks in the examination. So whatever word is written inside this box, you will have to write the same words. If it's plural, that is S is added, you have to write the S also. If you write duck, I will deduct marks from you. Number C, the children sat under a dash tree. So you have to write the name of the tree. So the name of the tree is given over here, Peepal, P-E-E-P-A-L, people. So we will write P-E-E-P-A-L. So this is a small p and this is in the middle of the sentence. So we will write the small p. It will not be a capital P or big P. It will not be the big P. It will be a small p. Number D, dash chirped merrily. So who chirped merrily? The birds chirped merrily on the trees. So the birds, because this is the starting, so the B will be capital letter. So the B is given as capital letter. So if you write a small b, which is not correct, you have to write the B as capital B because a sentence starts with a capital letter as you have done in your grammar, English grammar, and it will end with the S because the S is given. Exactly the same word you have to copy from the box to the blanks, inside the blanks. Number E, there were many mangoes on the tree. So mangoes, M-A-N-G-O, mango, and if we add E-S, it becomes mangoes. So mango means one and mangoes means many, more than one. That's why we add es. Remember, any word that ends with o, es is added to it to make it from singular to plural. So es should be added after mango to make it mangoes. So there were many mangoes on the tree. Next, question number 3 is match the following. Now what we will do over here? You will match column B with column A, and before that you will write a capital A over here and B over here. So you will know that you have to match this side, that is the B column's number, with that of A column's number. So A column is A, B, C, D, E and B column's number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only this side has to be matched with this side. This side will not be matched with this side. So if you write this side matching with this side, it will be wrong. Okay, you have to match only B side. B side has to be matched with A sides. For example, Ravi was. Now you remember who was Ravi? Now what do you think? Which answer would be right? Waves to the children, too high, read a book, the tree will die, and restless. Remember, Ravi was very restless. He could not sit in one place. So the answer is restless. So restless is option number 5. So this 5 we will write inside this column. So beside this line, Ravi was, you will write number 5 over here. Next, Shivani. Now remember Shivani, and she was the leader also, and she used to read a book. Now read a book is option number 3. So we will write 3 over here. Next, the mangoes were. The mangoes were what? Too high. So that's why the children could not catch the mangoes or pluck the mangoes. It was too high. So that means option number 2 will be over here. So we will write 2 just beside this line, the mangoes were. Next, D, the leaves and branches. So the leaves and branches waved to the children. So when they were leaving the forest, so all the leaves and branches of the mango tree, they waved at the children because they were happy. The mango tree was happy that the children did not cut the tree. So it waved. So number 1 will be over here. Next, E. If they cut the tree, what will happen? The tree will die. So number 4. So number 4 will be written over here. Understood, children? Question number 4. Put the tick mark or cross mark. So if the statement is true, right, correct, you will give a tick mark. And if you feel if the sentence is not correct, if it is false statement, then you will put a cross mark. You will not write true or false over here. You will only give the correct sign. Either it will be a tick mark or it will be a cross mark. A. They cut the tree with an axe. So did they cut the tree with an axe? No, they did not. So it will be a false statement. It will be a cross over here. Number B. There were 4 friends in the story. Yes, there were 4 friends. And who were they? Ram, Ravi, Munni and Shivani. So there were 4 friends. So you will put a tick mark over here. Number C. The children were not hungry. Yes, the children were hungry and that's why they were searching for food. So it is a false statement. You will put a cross mark. Number D. The jungle was near the village. No, the jungle was not near the village and they took a long time to reach the jungle. That's why it is a false statement. That means you will put a cross mark. The name of the village was Haripur. Yes, the name of the village was indeed Haripur. So you will put a tick mark. With this, we come to the end of this model paper. So children, if you're not able to do along with me, don't worry. I will send you a PDF file of this page. So if you have missed out, you can look at the page and you can complete your work. And after finishing the work, you will show me. You will click the picture of this page and you will send it to my personal number. And I will see if you have done this paper or not. Okay, children? So all the best. Do it and show it to me. Thank you. Bye bye and Jai Hind.